Yes, I noticed that. I know you're talking about Metallica here.
Metallica. Actually, one of their members was actually in Canada. Came for a while.
Kind of screaming what to listen to.
Still not.
Or you're going to pass the dogs. The dogs are what? And you can. Different sorts. That's all for dogs. No matter where he is,
This 94 getaway back there. He's taking a run.
Go, go, go! Break it!
yeah! Cody!
I thought it was like. That 94 was going to
Go, go! Oh, got him!
Now the new Mustangs Road.
These defensive plays are very good from St. Mary's.
21.
Dave's doing, you do defense, I'm doing the offense. We'll have to merge these tapes.
No.
You've got as many touchdowns as I've got.
You have to be a professional reporter. Get both sides of the story.
I'm biased.
Oh.
Very biased. Oh, he is out there.
He doesn't let the field.
No, I was going to say, he's never got off the field. They put him up front now, on the line for some reason.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, don't tell me you took Graham's place on the line.
He did.
Number 12, Cody, come on. Touchdown, we want a touchdown. Oh, he fumbled it.
So now what? Kicker. The kicker points.
Oh my God, good one.
You see that one?
Hey, Sarah.
Bring us up your beagle.
I'll come and see the beagle.
We want to see the beagle. I know, she's tricolor though, isn't she pretty?
What's her name? Levi.
I love that. Yeah, you can tell he's beautifully marked.
He was just so squirrely though, like it was impossible.
We love him.
He was just like,
Spinning
around, trying to get away from us. It was unreal. On the south, we've never.
Yeah, but you see, the thing is... Did he not catch it again?
You were going to go like this.
How many punches?
Seriously.
Compared to how many punches every dog? They dropped more than back.
Or give it to his brother.
Just run the ball.
Yeah. Right. Cody probably knows he can't catch.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
Yeah.
He's 1 for 4 for passes, and everyone's been right on.
Like field.
Oh, there's one. Go, 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 touchdown. All righty.
Halftime, all on the knee praying to the Lord St. Mary, or what?
Sarah, where are you guys going?
That Mary.
I should go to Max. I should get another Frosty.
Oh, they pray that the angel will kiss their ball and get a touchdown. Or?
Close up.
That hurts.
So you're on the spotlight now, Dad, of the quarterback. What do you think is going to be the end of the game here?
27-3.
What is it now?
10-0.
10-0 already? How do you figure that?
They had a field goal and a touchdown.
I got the touchdown. Oh, what's happening? They're all marching back.
Kickoff. Halftime goal.
Is that a tactic from them to go to the end zone?
I'm not sure.
And they all run to the end zone like they won the game already. It humiliates the enemy, no?
Scares them. Scares them. Fear God. They're the chosen.
And these other guys, what are they called again?
What's that?
They're the Raiders against... Kevin, what is it? Raiders and who?
St. Mary's Mustangs versus the Westhill Raiders.
Okay. Westhill Raiders against the Mustangs. I like my Ford Mustang. That's good.
Oh, this is that stuff that's really hard to get into, but really good. And
What's going on here? Oh, baby.
oh, he's going!
Well, there's 2 right here, so we went. Well, no, he's here. Go for the extra point. I know, it's hard to block. Imagine I wanted to know what he's saying.
Hi, Cory. Hi, Cody.
I did.
So, what do you think of the game today, Code?
Oh, pretty good.
40-0, man.
We had a pretty tough first quarter, but after the half we came together and things just started to click. We went really well.
And Cory, they put you on defense halfway through, or what?
Yeah, halfway through, Graham went down, so they asked me to step up and play some defense, tackle.
But next week's a big game from last year's champions, yeah? So you're going to screw them like you did these guys, or what?
Hopefully we do.
Hopefully we do, yeah.
All right, good game, Cory. Have a good day, huh?